Let me use this medium to wish you a happy new year. Wow, you made it to 2024. To God be the glory. I've tagged this year the year of consolidation. 2024, the year of consolidation. If you look at 2 Chronicles chapter 1 verse 1, it says, Solomon, son of David, took firm control of his kingdom, for the Lord his God was with him and made him very powerful. I repeat the last part of it. The Lord his God was with him and made him very powerful. Another way of putting the passage is this: as David's son Solomon consolidated his administration, the Lord his God was with him to make him very successful. I say to you this year, as you consolidate, that is, take firm control of all that the Lord has made possible for you, the Lord your God will be with you and make you very successful and powerful in the name of Jesus Christ. Everything you touch will prosper. You will flourish in the name of Jesus Christ. The words of Psalm 126 verses 1 to 3 will apply to you in your life. I read, when the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we were like those who dreamed. Our mouths were filled with laughter and our tongues with songs of joy. Then it was said among the nations, the Lord has done great things for them. The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy. Your mouth will be filled with laughter this year. Great and mighty things will be done for you this year in the name of Jesus Christ. Stay blessed. Happy New Year.